Na pag-usapan natin yung kaibahan po ng plunder at ng corruption. Dito tayo, Kuya Mark, sa pagkakaiba ng plunder at ng malversation.
Ang plunder and malversation, when I say malversation, it is misappropriation of public funds by an accountable officer regardless of the amount. So for example, basta public funds yan, ginamit mo ang public funds not for that purpose but in different purpose. For example, ang purpose ng funds na ito is for example, building, tatayo ng building. Tapos kinuha mo, ginamit mo sa ibang purpose. Misappropriation of public funds by an accountable officer regardless of the amount. But with respect to plunder, may threshold. Accumulation of ill-gotten wealth in the amount of at least 50 million through series or combination of overt acts. So, may amount, may threshold, 50 million para maging plunder. Pero pag kumuha ka ng kwarta ng bayan, ginamit mo sa ibang purpose, that is already malversation, hindi siya plunder. Kasi ang plunder, kailangan talaga 50 million pesos. Yan. At least 50 million pesos.
Thank you, Kuya Mark. Yung kaso ng plunder, mabasura kung mga allegations ay hindi mapapatunayan, automatic yan, Kuya Mark. Pero dadaan sa masusing investigasyon.
Tama. Ang plunder, normally may kasong plunder, doon talaga yan sa Sandigan Bayan through the Office of the Ombudsman and through the Office of the Special Prosecutor doon sa Ombudsman. So, ang plunder, for example, hindi mo napapatunayan yung series or combination of overt act. For example, may mga ibang action doon na hindi mo napapatunayan. For example, yung allegation na ginamit tawag ito, yung lisensya ni contractor, ginamit ang lisensya ni contractor para pagkuha ng project. Ganon. Tapos hindi mo napapatunayan yung series of acts. Will the plunder be dismissed? No. Sabi ng batas, as long as mapapatunayan yung accumulation of ill-gotten wealth in the amount of at least 50 million pesos, that is already plunder. Regardless kung mapapatunayan ang all action ng series or combination of criminal overt act. Kahit isa doon hindi mo napapatunayan, basta na-prove lang na may nakuwang ill-gotten wealth na at least 50 million pesos, that is already plunder.